Okay, welcome to this class of English. Today we are looking at verb tenses, okay, in English. There are three main time frames. So you as a learner, you must understand that there are three main time frames. We have present, then we have past, we have future. So there are many? Three. Present, past, and future. Okay. 33 main time frames. So each has simple, continuous, perfect, and perfect continuous forms. So for example, when you talk of past, so past time frame has got simple tense, continuous tense, future tense, perfect, continuous tense, and perfect tense. Okay. So now quickly let us look at a few examples that I've outlined for you and see how best these verb tenses are applicable. So the first one we have simple present. Simple present, for example. That is simple present. She walks. So simple present, we are talking about things that usually happen. Okay, that is simple present. So she walks. And remember, she, that is the noun. I mean a pronoun. So we are using the pronoun. So when we are using the pronoun, she walks, he walks, it walks. Okay. But when we are talking about a direct name, okay, I mean this is third singular person, which is a pronoun. Then when we are talking about second singular person or first singular person, for example, myself, I should say I walk, meaning I usually walk. Okay, I walk. Then, if I'm talking about the second singular person, who is you, there, I'll say you walk. Okay, you have seen the difference? But when we are talking about the third singular person, you say she walks, he walks, it walks. Okay, so let me try to differentiate between, among what I'm talking about here. When I say first singular person, it can be you or myself here. Okay, so as I'm talking here, I'm the first singular person. Now maybe there is a conversation. Once I engage you, you are going to be the second singular person. Now imagine this is a situation we are together, then we are talking about our friend. So that friend of ours, the one that we are talking about, is called the third singular person. And when we are talking about that person, normally we use the pronouns. Okay, so that's what I'm trying to say here. She walks. Then let's go now to simple past. Simple past. Okay, simple past. So simple past, that is the actual past tense. Okay, we are talking about things that have passed. That is simple past. So when you are referring to a third singular person, which is a pronoun in this case, you said she walked. She walked. Okay. Then present continuous. That is present continuous now. It is continuous. Just from the word itself, continuous. Okay. So there you say she is walking. Okay. Then we go to past perfect. Past perfect. This is where now you are supposed to use some auxiliary verbs. Okay, like had, have. Okay, so here now you say past perfect. You say she had walked. She had walked. Okay, so these are some of the examples. So now you can use the verb tenses in certain sentences. So we can come now to exam question, the way exams now have been phrased. So one, rewrite in the present perfect. So we want to rewrite this one in the present what? Perfect. Okay? So you say, she finished her homework. She finished her homework. Okay? She finished her homework. Okay, so now we are saying, here where we are is on writing now the present perfect. So present perfect, remember when you have a perfect, when I was talking about the examples that actually I gave you, as long as there is a word perfect, it means the auxiliary verb must appear. Okay. So here you say she finished her homework. So that one now, when writing, you say she has, which is the auxiliary verb has. She has finished her homework. Okay. She has finished her homework. Then you got to change the past tense. So I want to change now that way that sentence into a past what tense. They go to church every day. So you say they went to church every day. Okay? They went, that go will change to what? Go will change to went. They went to church every day. Okay? Then 3, choose the correct verb form. There we have to choose the correct verb form. Okay? By tomorrow we dash the assignment. So we have A, by tomorrow we complete the assignment. Then B, by tomorrow we will have completed the assignment. C, by tomorrow we completed the assignment. Okay, so now which one can you go for? Automatically here, the answer is going to be B. Remember, you need to be very careful with the rules in English. They sound the same, meaning and all that, but you need to be very sharp when it comes to such questions, mostly crossword or comprehension sometimes. There are such questions. Okay, so there the answer is going to be B. So you say, by tomorrow, we will have completed the what? The assignment. Okay, so that is how you are supposed to answer examination questions under verb tenses. Thank you so very much for your attention.